What are you doing? I see a kitty. Oh, he wants to look out the window. Is that what it is? Oh, hello. Get off the Xbox. No, this is my stuff. He's trying to look over my hand. That's more what? What are you doing, nobody? You guys smell that? No, no, no. Don't get up there, Azrael. You're too big for that. You don't want to cuddle me? Come cuddle me, kitty. Do you not know where to go? Hi. And you're gone. Why are you leaving me?